I think I'm getting nibbles, unless that's kelp just dragging me around. Nope, that's a fish. That's an actual fish.
What's up, anglers and anglets? It's your boy Sven, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I posted anything, but you know what? Let's just skip the formalities and kind of just get straight to it. I'm gonna try to catch something, so let's get to it. Why, hello there.
I got a high-low rig with a 2-ounce torpedo. Watch your step, be extra careful. Actually, before we get started, let me talk to you guys about safety. Make sure you have the appropriate footwear. I got hiking boots, which got good traction so I won't slip. Be observant of your surroundings. Right now, you know, the water looks pretty low because it's low tide, but you see like this rock right here has some water on it. So that means that this got splashed. I don't mind getting splashed a little bit, but I do know that the water is rising. If you're going to fish out on the jetty, make sure you don't turn your back against the ocean. You need to go down lower in the jetty rocks to land a fish. Do a very simple boot scrape. If it feels like you're not slipping on a banana, you should be okay. Go very slow. Don't do big jumps all around. So that rock got super splashed. I'm gonna have to be careful when I step down on that rock to land a fish. Hey, fishy boy. Just be careful, don't do anything reckless, especially if you're out here by yourself. One wrong step and you might hurt yourself and nobody's gonna be able to get to you because you're all the way out in the jetty rocks. So just please, please, please be careful, you guys. We're all fun and games here, but the last thing I want is for somebody to get hurt trying something new. All right, so now that that's out of the way, let's get back to business. I always like to fish really close to the rocks. I see a lot of kelp, which is good because kelp means structure, but kelp is also problematic because it can tangle your line. Right now, probably the best place to cast is right there. I do see like a little opening where there isn't a lot of kelp. Hopefully there's some fish around. When you're fishing for rocks, no, not rocks. When you're fishing for fish next to the rocks, you don't have to cast very far. But you do have to watch out for that. 5 feet, 10 feet, 20 feet in front of you, and see if there's any fish around. If you don't get any nibbles within like 5 minutes, don't be afraid to just cast around. Some spots might have fish, some spots might not have fish. I think I'm getting nibbles, unless that's kelp just dragging me around. Nope, that's a fish. That's an actual fish. What are you? Let's see. Nice. Wait, is this a... Wait, this is a sheepshead, right? Wrong? Yo, it's a sheepshead. Okay, let me get him back. Nice, look at this sheepshead. All right, let's get him back. This is my first fish, so hashtag first fish freedom. Thank you, sheepshead. I think this is a female. The red characteristic ones are the males, but this one's a female. So as soon as the wave comes back, I'm gonna try to get her down. Screw it, right? Oh. Holy crap, okay. Thanks for playing, sheepshead, but I am soaked. All right, first fish, let's go. Yeah, I'm just soaked. That's okay. You know what, let's just keep the train going. Let's rebait and catch something else. Yeah, I'm soaked. All right, I'm rebaited. Now I'm gonna cast back out to that honey hole. Maybe I'll catch another sheepshead. That'd be kind of cool. If not, that's fine. I don't mind catching a nice surf perch as well. Getting like these weird nibbles, kind of infrequent. But they're there, they're definitely there. Oh, that's a good one. Come on, fishy. Come on, fishy. Note to self, release this before you cast, even if you're super excited to fish. I just lost both my baits, so I gotta rebait. Alright, rebaited. Let's get this back out there. So, I caught that sheepshead not close. I actually tossed it maybe 30 feet. Okay, maybe that was not 30 feet. Oddly enough, that's the first sheepshead I ever caught from the jetties, which was actually super thrilling because most of the time I see sheepshead caught on charter boats and such. Oh, I think I'm getting another nibble. Whoa. Oh, okay, yep. All right, the fish bite's on. Let's go. Not a sheepshead. Oh, it's a black surfperch. Okay, well, let me get him off and throw him back. He's a little small. I'm not gonna keep anything that's not worth my time. A little too small for my taste. Let's get a better one. Oh, there he is, Mr. Black Surfperch. All right, let's get him back. Gotta be careful not to get splashed again like that. It's starting to get a little cold, but I think I'll be okay. Thanks for playing, Black Surfperch. Boop. There he goes. Found a little honey hole. I'm just gonna keep fishing that spot, see what else I can get. That was 2 fish within, honestly, 5 minutes of each other. That was an okay sized black surfperch, but let's see if we can get a chunky boy. Can't tell if I got nibbled. That was really weird. All right, I'm gonna probably have to call it. The sun's going down, getting really cold, and the last thing I want to do is get sick, so I probably should just call it really soon. Yeah, the bite slowed down, guys. I'm gonna have to call it. It's getting way too cold, and it's my fault because I didn't pay attention to the ocean, and I'm in shorts, and the sun's down, and it's super windy, and I'm gonna freeze my butt off, so I'm gonna call it now before I get sick. So thanks for watching, guys. I know we only caught 2 fish, but you know, it's been a while since I actually fished and caught anything, so I'll take it as it is, and we'll see what we can catch next time. So later.